Ass off like some icy hot. Yeah, niggas say they hot, but they know they not. I'ma cool their ass off like some icy hot. Niggas say they hot, but they know they not. I'ma cool their ass off like some icy hot. Bitch.
Another Fam Life production. Let's go. Yeah. Niggas say they hot. Swear they hot. Niggas say they hot. Nah. Fam Life God. Nah. Fam Life gang style. Fam Life peak. Fam Life peak. Niggas say he hot, but he know he not. I'ma cool his ass off like some icy hot. What? Niggas say he hot, but he know he not. I'ma cool his ass off like some icy hot.
Niggas think they hot, but you lukewarm. And you gon' see how when I'm through flowing. Chopper make a nigga lean, nigga no porn. 7 in the 4-5, nigga no form. All this ice on me, nigga, I'ma catch a cold. But bitch, I'm in the deep, you know how it goes. I gotta keep a heater cause the streets are cold. And if a nigga try to play me, then I'ma do him both. RP t-shirts on all his bros. Yeah, he was hot, but now he cold. That's what happen when you fuckin' with some real niggas. Fam Life be the team, bitch, and we'll kill niggas.
Niggas say he hot, but he know he not. I'ma cool his ass off like some icy hot. What? Niggas say he hot, but he know he not. I'ma cool his ass off like some icy hot. Fam Life Doc, nigga, hella real. How these niggas talking bodies when they never killed. First day I came home, I seen a nigga die. And the preacher in the church trying to testify. It's like my bullets came with wings, how I let them fly. But y'all don't really need ice for the boy to slide. Nigga, I don't need a license for my team to ride. And if you fuck around with us, but this a homicide. Yeah, pussy niggas talk till they popped up. And now I spill them on the floor, get him mopped up. Like a pimple on your block, how I pop up. Running to your whole set like a Mack truck. Got the Mac tuck, bitch tryna act up. Duck quick, pussy ass niggas can't fuck with. Fam Life P and my nigga Guerrero. We run out of ammo, we hit them with them arrows. Eyes on the sparrow, on me fatigue Perro. Pussy ass niggas Teflon, they shit to test through. Cop killers all in the clip, hoes all on my dick. Team Fam Life, bitch with the shit.
My best friend, he a shooter. 17 but be fooling. Bitch, I stay crispy and your bitch stay choosing. My circle real small cause these niggas is elusive. And I don't give a fuck, nigga. It's a few niggas I fool with. True shit, I don't really like to get stupid. But when it's time to ride, I know a few niggas that shootin'. You better get your bread up, cause bitches out here choosing. They'll leave your ass stuck like some crazy glue and wood chip. You do a lot of talking, me, I call that shit the loofah. And if it's about money, then we moving like a cruise ship. You put me in the studio and really go abusing. Off top, getting mines, cause a broke nigga is useless. Bitch, I'm an 80s baby, crazy like my mama made me. In that era, niggas came deep like the fucking Navy. The shit I been through, the same shit that made me. Now nigga on top, so you hate niggas hate.
Niggas say he hot, but he know he not. I'ma cool his ass off like some icy hot. What? Niggas say he hot, but he know he not. I'ma cool his ass off like some icy hot.